Okay guys, I thought I would show you how I make my lactation bites. You don't have to do them in the food processor, but I just like it because it's less work on my behalf. 1 cup oats, half a cup chocolate chips. I use the Enjoy Life, that way these are vegan. Then a half a cup of flaxseed, or I should say ground flaxseed. Then I add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. I put it in the microwave for like 10 seconds, just soften it a little bit. I found that when I do the microwave step, it just blends a little bit easier and better. Add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 cup of peanut butter. If you use natural peanut butter, I highly recommend that you take it out of the refrigerator and let it sit on the counter for a little while just to soften up. And finally, 2 tablespoons of brewer's yeast. I really like this one from Oat Mama. Again, if you don't have a food processor, not a big deal. You can just make this in a giant bowl. I've just found that the food processor makes it a lot easier on me, and it's quicker, and the balls are much easier to roll. You're gonna blend for what feels like forever until it starts getting to a consistency where it sticks together. And then this step is obviously optional, but I dump it into a bowl because I find that it's just easier to like pinch the amount that I need and then roll it into the balls. Size-wise, honestly, I don't know. I just pick up one and then start molding it into a ball. Your hands are gonna look really gross when you do this, but it's worth it. And I like to put mine in the freezer for a minute just to let them set up till you're ready to eat them, or you can move them to the refrigerator when you're ready. That's it. You can see this batch is a little bit lighter than this batch. This batch, I like zhuzhed it for a little bit longer and added a little bit of extra maple syrup. So the color is a little bit darker, but they taste like virtually the same. And there you have it. Also, Gia just came in and said, "Are those your booby meatballs?" But it kind of sounded like booby teat balls. So that is now what these have been dubbed. Booby teat balls.